Come on, come on. Come on, Bob. Come on, Bob. So go.
Three-man rush. Patterson creating outside the pocket. Down he goes at the 23rd-yard line.
Here we go. Red, red, red. Ready, set.
From the 34. Oh, wrapped up in the backfield. Darnell had absolutely nowhere to go.
This is what it looks like, by the way, when you're a running back and a 340-pound man is unblocked, and it's like, oh, no.
Hey, we're good, we're good, we're good. 180. One shot.
Something tells me that wasn't. Oh, it was picked off.
This is a great job. Watch him with the helmet cam. He just steps right in front. You could see that the eyes of the quarterback were just on him. He wasn't threatened to go deep.
Rip bio. 180. One shot.
1 second and 2. Here comes the blitz. It's picked up. Love has time. Going underneath, but still caught by Hardaway.
Marcus Lewis, number 1, he did not come back to the ball, and Hardaway is able to go back, high point it, and get the catch. That's a big play for Pittsburgh. They needed that badly.
That's the longest play they've had this season.
180. One shot.
Love steps up. Got a man downfield. Bailey Gaither.
Here's Bailey Gaither on the outside. Excellent look from the drone. It was right by his head. That's amazing.
You know, it reminds you of the NFL and college football. You watch week 1 and you go, oh, this team's this and that team's that.
Yeah.
And then a couple of weeks later, they're totally different as Maurice Alexander handles the kickoff. A couple of crazy moves, and he's into the open field. And takes it into Pittsburgh territory. Excellent job on the return.
So go! Go!
Rush, Thorson intercepted. Picked off down the sideline goes Brian Allen. And Allen will take it all the way for the touchdown.
Brian Allen gets the ball thrown right in his lap. Takes it back for 6. What a start for the hometown Stallions.
On 3rd and 4.
Smith with time. Looking deep downfield. Got a man open. Touchdown. Osiris Mitchell got a step on Jamar Summers and made him pay for 6.
Well, the Gamblers rotated the safety, and it creates a one-on-one. So now you've got 6'5" Osiris Mitchell. What a great route there. Gets to the outside. Jamar Summers was just in chase mode, and then the ball was perfect. Good ball by Jamar Smith. Just a touch underthrown, but it didn't matter because the right was so good from Osiris Mitchell. I feel like Victor.
There's Marable, bouncing to the edge, touchdown, Birmingham. What a march, capped by the C.J. Marable School.
All AAC first-team player at Connecticut. Sloter looking deep down the sideline and reaching up to grab it is Adams Jr. complete with one hand.
Wow. If you're an NFL scout watching this game, that's got to get your attention.
The USFL, Sunday on USA and Peacock.
Hi, I'm Mike Tirico, and thanks for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe for the latest news and highlights from NBC Sports.